Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Disconnect the display panel cable from the system board and remove it from its routing channel beside the left speaker. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module and remove them from their routing channel beside the right speaker. Note, if the notebook is configured with a wireless WAN module, you need to disconnect its antenna cables from the wireless WAN module and then remove them from their routing channel beside the right speaker. Disconnect the speaker cable from the system board. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws, one on either side of the speaker, that secure the speaker to the top cover. Lift the speaker off of its alignment pins and remove. Replacement. Place the speaker on its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speaker to the top cover. Connect the speaker cable to the system board. Route the wireless LAN antenna cables into their routing channel beside the right speaker. And connect them to the wireless LAN module. Note, if the notebook is configured with a wireless WAN module, route the antenna cables into their routing channel beside the right speaker and connect them to the wireless WAN module. Route the display panel cable into its routing channel beside the left speaker. And connect it to the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.